Welcome to my channel.
Welcome back, everybody. Today we are making traditional Kufi hat. We'll be making it with a fabric called Isiagu. It's traditional Igbo hat. So right now I cut out the cardboard that I'm using. I know some people use something different. I usually use cardboard. This is 23.5 inches. For what number is that? Is it large or extra large? I'll check it again. 23.5, and the width is 2.5. So the same length for the fabric. I use tacking glue because it works very well with every fabric, sling fabric, fabric with hair. It works with wool. So get to one. It works well. So when you fold it, you notice that at the end of it I left some fabric. You know what we do with that. If you haven't seen any of my videos step by step, you can check them out. I have used different methods. So this time I have an order for a son and a father and son. So I have the little one for the kid, who is just about I think 3 years old, they said. So I have size 21, between 20 and 21 circumference for the son, and I have 23.5 for the dad. So the fabric that is left at the end, I'm using it to fold. I don't know why this camera is not catching everything. Oh gosh, I'm sorry about that. I use it to fold to hide the edge. So when that is done, try to give it the shape you want it. I like something that looks like a little bit of triangle. At the back will be wider, at the front will have a little tip. Now it's time to cut out the foam, naked foam. You can use a thick one, you can use something soft. This one is a little bit soft. I didn't used to use this, but this foam is a game changer for me, because when I put it, it makes it a little thick, at the same time easy on the head. When I used to put something very hard, it makes the hat not to relax, but with this they have to relax, and you can push it in and out because the top is soft. So I'm gonna put a glue to let the naked foam stick to the fabric without shifting when I'll be sewing it. I don't know if I'll be sewing this one or not, but let's go. I do not think I will be sewing this one. I will be pushing it in, and the edges will still be gathered to allow that shape curved inside. If you left enough fabric extra, you should be able to push it in and make that gathered inside without making it rough. So I will just use my glue and push in the top from the bottom. Sometimes one side will be bigger than the other. When you turn it, you'll find out that the shape is not so clean, or it's not well made. Then you go back and push it in. As you're pushing it in, you're watching it to make sure everything comes out the way you want it. You If you want the top to be all inside, or you want it to come out and be curvy on top, it's all up to you. But I like to give the wearer, whoever is going to wear it, enough room, so I will push it all inside, so that it comes out curved without being rough. So you keep doing it, and it's with this glue, it's soft, you can do it, and when you leave it to dry, then it's hard. So you have to be fast when you're doing it. You do it and get it to the shape that you want it. Yeah. So as this one is, I'm gonna put it away to dry. I think I have already done the other one, the bigger one. Now the inside, you can decide to use a ribbon, an elastic. I usually use something hard, so I'm gonna cover it with lining. Wrap that cardboard strip with the lining. This lining is cotton, is broadcloth cotton. You can use whichever fabric works for you. Satin is good, whichever one works for you. I find it easier to use this cotton like fabric to work. You cut a circle for the top hat. It's always better to cut much bigger size, so that you will have some to cover the side of the hat, just the same as it shows here. So when you measure it, when you kind of put it in and see that is what you want, then you can now add glue to your project. Put the glue, like I always use this glue, it works so much better for me. It's tacky glue. So I'm gonna just speed it up a little bit from here, so just watch as we go. After applying this glue here to insert the lining, I ran out of tacky glue. So well, moving forward in this video, I'm going to be using a different kind of glue. I'm using this what is it called? It's craft glue for kids, elementary school craft glue, but it's the closest to tacky glue. It's only more watery and liquidy than tacky glue, so it will take longer to dry than the tacky glue, but it does the same work very well. It holds firm and dries clear. So that's what I'll be using to finish up before I get my regular glue.
The good thing about using this glue or the tacky glue is that you can make adjustments when you are still doing your project. You can remove it when it's still wet and place it back and it still works. And don't even worry about the whitish thing that you're looking at, because when it dries up you don't see it, but I always try to clean it when it's still wet. So I'm holding it with clip to make sure it holds and dries until it dries up. Then I can take it out. It doesn't take long to dry. If I don't have anything doing, I can take it out. But if I have something doing, I'm gonna leave it until when I have the time for it. Then I'll take it out. But for now, I want to make sure that it holds firm. The same thing I did for the bigger hat, I'm doing for the little one. This is an order for a man and his little kid, a toddler kid. The measurement for the kid was like 20 inches, 20 inches circumference. Like round head is 20 inches. So the same thing I did for the regular size hat, I will have to do it for the kid's hat. Same process, just different sizes. So now you clean it, and the two hats are here. I'm gonna leave them to dry, so I'll come back and show you. They are both dry. It's time to take out the clips and clean up everything that you think that shouldn't be there. You can use water to clean it, but there's something I use to clean glue. It's called what is it called? It's called glue gun. Glue gun. Yeah, I think I've showed it before, but right now I'm just trying to get off the glue when it's wet, to make sure water touches it, the whitish things don't show. Do me a favor and like this video, make a comment so that it can be recommended for other people to see. Thank you. Here I put the sticker for the sizes, even though they will know what size belong to any, but I just like to put the sizes so that they know what they ordered. So now I also put my little logo. It says Lady Diltor. Yeah, I put in both of them. So it's done. Father and son hat. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Bye.